Here we are heading to the cabin for an overnight trip, do some work at the cabin, also some char fishing while we're there. We're heading out the boat from home, heading on up to the cabin. Hopefully this trip should only take about an hour to hour and a half, depending if we have to stop anywhere for fish or any other things. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully we'll enjoy our time here and get what we need done while we're there. Here we are fishing for some Arctic char. Beautiful calm day. Trying to get some char on rod. We plan on taking these and smoking a few, also filleting and freezing some for the freezer. Action was good. There was lots of char on the go. We got what we wanted and happy with the day. More people besides us out enjoying the day and getting their supply of Arctic char. We also got to see Mr. Bear that day. He was very friendly, at least from the boat, so we were glad to see some wildlife that day. Beautiful warm June day. Really nice at the cabin. We love the view from here. Still lots of boats out in the Arctic char every day. Wind has picked up, made it more bearable for the flies. Really nice day for fishing. As you can see, the wind dropped out later in the day. Got cam, but still a beautiful day. Here we are heading home after a day and one night at the cabin. We had an excellent time. Thank you all for watching. And if you can, like and subscribe. Thank you. And if you can and are able, get out and make memories. Thank you, everyone.